ayan na nga guys, dumating na ako dito sa Manila Airport. So, kumain na lang ako ng dinner guys dito sa Jollibee.
Okay, let's go.
International Airport in Manila. We are now taxiing towards Naiya Terminal 3 for a proper and safe disembarkation. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure that you don't leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On previous team, head of our flight crew Captain Manet and First Officer Alvario, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important movement. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you no more often in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. For guests with infants, the infant's likeness shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, the infant's likeness inside the seat pocket is be reminded that the unauthorized removal of the likeness from the aircraft is a serious offense. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo, hinay matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Lilian Orbar channel. And for today's vlog guys, ito palapag na tayo guys ng Manila Airport from Kalibo. So ito ay itong June 6, 2025 pa nung pabalik na ako guys ng Hong Kong. And syempre paglapag natin at makapwesto na tayo doon sa airport ay syempre kakain na tayo guys dito. Maghahanap pa po ng makainan kasi nga gutom na ako guys, kasi yung flight namin is 7:15 pero na-delay pa ng saglit lang naman. So ayan, salamat sa panonood guys.
Mangyari po lamang at nadaliin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po.
Sa Manila guys, nakarating lang. We here at Manila Airport from Kalibo. So bukas pa ng umaga flight ko pa Hong Kong guys. So mag-stay muna ako dito sa airport ng isang gabi. Ito na nga guys, at nagpila ako sa Jollibee kasi magdi-dinner tayo guys dito. Kasi late na rin naman. So, ito. At magpipili tayo ng ating bibilhin. So, ayan na nga guys, ang aking napili ay 1 set na 2 chicken at 1 rice at soft drinks. So, ayan, syempre, pag yan ang kainin mo, busog ka na yan guys, kasi malaki ang serving ng per slice nila ng chicken. Solve na solve ka na dyan. Guys, at kain tayo ng dinner. So, ayan na nga guys, at malapit na tayong matapos kumain. So, mega love shoutout to all my subscribers, my viewers, my silent viewers, sa aking mga members, at sa lahat ng pupunta palagi sa premiere ko. Mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. To my Auntie Susan na Falls Barriento sa US and family, sa aking asawa at aking dalawang anak, and sa aking team Chukpap, mega love shoutout. And sa lahat-lahat na nag-support sa akin guys, sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you so much. God bless. And I love you all guys. Ingat kayo palagi. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at sa mga sulok ng mundo abot ang video kong ito ay mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat.